Good evening. I am Sujit Menon, working as Director Operations for Green World. We would be having our key speaker, who's also connected online. His name is Mr. Aloysius G. Pasion.
Thanks, Sujit. I have come up with a couple of points which I feel are really essential to ensure food safety. First, brilliance at the PRP basics. Second one is have your HACCP at the shop floor. Third one is you need to have a robust release system. Yeah. So when we say robust release system, it should be in a pragmatic way with wherein your HACCP plan is the foundation of your release system. So you need to have your release system really having HACCP as a foundation. So for me, having these three elements will help you to have a very effective food safety management system in your company to make sure that the products that you manufacture is safe. Now we look at release system. So release systems, basically, we talk about our PRPs, which is our basic hygiene practices, working hand in hand with our OPRPs and CCPs management to make sure that this is part of our quality monitoring system, that we release our products, and eventually, if we have a deviation, that we handle the products, these non-conforming products, properly in such a way that they do not go outside of your facility, and that you manage it correctly, that it also does not become a contaminant for your other processes. Yeah. So PRPs with your HACCP plan, yeah, as a foundation should be a critical element for you releasing the product. Of course, taking into consideration your control points for physical chemical properties. Yeah. So here we're talking already a quality assurance function. Yeah. Control points that is focus on consumer perception and attributes. Control points that is regulatory related. So we're talking about labeling, coding, net content requirements, and of course, some control points that you have for your monitoring system, particularly for pathogen monitoring. So taking all of this into consideration with your HACCP plan and your PRPs as a foundation, then this will now be the basis for you to release your product into the market, having the confidence that you have done your due diligence as a food manufacturer to make sure that the products that you provide to the consumer is safe. So this is just an illustration. Let's say that you have an issue that of a deviation for your particular food safety management system. So this just to define the difference between temporary and final blocking. So temporary blocking, it's you need to assess the situation, and then eventually, based on your risk assessment, that you determine the final disposition, whether to dispose your or you to release it or to rework it. And I thank you guys for the opportunity, and I'm welcome to answer any of your questions.